This part we are showcasing the AI vision and robotic applications. For example, this one is a software offered by ourselves, YUAN, and we name it Smart Flow. The Smart Flow have several cameras connected all around the booth, and then all the people flow will be connected, calculated, and showcased. This is a software demonstrating all here through Pandora. All these cameras capturing different people coming into our booth and then providing a result and data sheet for other people. This is a concept that we are showcasing to have full channel of TVI camera connected to an Air series inside. So this remote boat can be used to capture different camera images and then to recognize those boats, to help out to catch the smuggler or to identify each boat. This demonstration is demonstrating with our partner, AgriSmart. AgriSmart provides a smart AI agricultural solution. They can use either a box for a remote session over AI recognition, or they can use AMR to do detail checking. So right now we are also demonstrating to use a camera and a VLM function to check how many grapes are good or bad, and the device can also run SLAM at the edge. Also, we got a drone here. Our Air series is extremely compact, small devices with camera connectability. Now the drone is running with a camera and Air installed right there. And basically, it will be capturing and do human skeleton recognition through a camera and then streaming down to below monitor side. This booth demonstrating all the possibility for our Air series and Pandora to be connected with all kind of non-manned remote solution.